Hello, hockey fans. Welcome back. Today I got
Connor Thunder Shadow.
Picked up 4 of these from good old Dollarama. Needed some supplies, so yeah. Let's see what we can find. You pick 2? I'll pick 2. Okay. Oh, got a loose pack. Yes, good.
Ooh.
Turn them around, show them what they're called.
5-card pack, 2010 to current, and rookie pack.
Nice. Oh, Rob Blake. Vintage.
Quebec something of Nordiques. Dave Reed and Ivan Profor. 5-card.
There are some decent rookies, actually.
Oh. Austin Matthews. Sean Odyssey. Mark Osborne.
Roman Hammerlick.
And Mike Santoroli. And 2010. Martin Nekas. Alex Ovechkin. And Joel Eek.
This one's thick. At the end, yeah.
Sorry for the noise, folks.
Yeah, his tummy's been rumbling all weekend.
I'm not sure what it is. Hey, sleeves.
Yeah. These are now $1.50 a pack, so they're worth it almost to get these for just those. 2010 and a rookie.
Ooh. And a 90s legend, though. Look at mine.
Hey, you can. Here.
Oh.
Jacob Chikrin.
Tyler Seguin, and Hendrik
Lundqvist. Komansky. Craig McTavish, former general coach. He was the last player to never wear a helmet. Tough guy. Huh? Stillman. And 1990. I wonder if they fixed. Remember everything cards from the 2000s?
No. I think it's been a while since I opened these.
Another Oiler. Darius.
Montreal.
See, yeah, that's not 1990s. That's a couple years ago. Chris Trier.
Jersey. Thank you. The 90s.
Oh, you got a jersey patch.
What?
Or, yeah.
Oh.
Save that. team.
2010 and a 2000s thing. But with the 90s. That was a rip. Geoff. Jeff Courtnall. Ken Hodge. Marty Minnekins. Diana Merzian. Oh, wait.
It's old Bowman. Alexander Mogilny.
2010.
Gentle.
Braden Point. Roman Josie. Nicholas Backstrom.
Wow. Ovechkin.
Alexander Mogley. And Hark Rycroft.
Another Mogilny, Jared. 2 Mogilnys. Check this out. Ovechkin's second year. Podcast. See that? 2007-8. It's probably worth like $5 or something. That might be our big one. Oh, pro set.
Are those good?
Not really, but oh, it's French. See?
We're in Canada, people, not France.
Canada's dual language, though, but that's why you're learning it in school.
Oh.
I might save those for my French buddy. I got 90s, 010, and rookie pack.
Patrice Bergeron. Jules Samuelson.
Premier. Who's that?
John Tonley.
Rory Fitzpatrick. Cal Granlund. Schmid. And McKinley. Sergei Makarov, Mikko Makala. Who's that? I have that one. Carrier and Dean Kennedy.
I have no idea.
Pocket Rocket. Rocket Richard? Yep. Pocket Rocket. Nice. Alright, here's your big hit. It says, what's that say?
One autographed or jersey card guaranteed.
What's thick? I think it's a jersey. Do your slow roll.
Yep, jersey. Yegor something.
Sharon Govich.
Sharon Govich.
Decent. Give it a touch.
Oh, it feels nice.
Yeah. Say congratulations. Certified to have been worn by the featured player. So that's a rookie. Alright. Yeah, you can open that. Get a young gun.
Adam Lowry. Nathan McKinnon. We see a gold.
Yep.
Matthew Joseph. Ryan Dominato. Ooh, Dazzlers. Patrick Lane on this.
Nice.
Hey, boy, Skinner in the background.
It's not Skinner.
Oh. Joe Thornton.
Nice.
Frederick Anderson. And
Chara. Cool. Do you want to open these?
No.
Okay. I'll save them for my French buddy. Yeah, I guess that's it. Got a Matt Sundin rookie card. Blake Ovechkin second year.
Dazzler jersey.
And a double jersey. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.